Hello, listen and repeat. Life is a long and continuous journey that every human being experiences in a unique way. It begins without choice and continues through many stages filled with learning, growth, challenges, and change. Every stage of life has its own meaning and importance, and each moment contributes to shaping personality, thinking, and behavior. Human life is not static. It is always moving forward, always changing, and always developing. People grow physically, mentally, and emotionally over time. In the early stages of life, learning is simple and based on observation and imitation. As time passes, learning becomes more complex and requires thinking, understanding, and decision-making. This process continues throughout life without stopping. The world surrounding humans is also constantly changing. Technology is advancing at an extremely fast rate. Machines, systems, and tools are becoming more advanced every year. Communication has become faster and easier than ever before. People can connect with others across the world instantly, share information, and learn new things within seconds. This level of connection was not possible in the past. With these rapid changes, life has become both easier and more complex. On one hand, people have access to unlimited information and opportunities. On the other hand, the speed of life creates pressure and competition. Individuals are required to constantly improve their skills and adapt to new situations in order to stay successful and relevant. Education plays a major role in human development. Learning is not limited to schools or formal institutions. It exists everywhere in life. People learn from books, from experiences, from mistakes, and from observing others. Every situation can be a learning opportunity if a person pays attention and reflects on it carefully. Knowledge builds understanding, and understanding leads to better decisions. One of the most important aspects of life is personal growth. Growth happens when individuals face challenges and overcome them. Difficult situations are not meant to stop progress, but to strengthen character. Every problem contains a lesson that helps improve future actions. People who accept challenges and learn from them usually become stronger and more capable over time. Success in life is not something that happens instantly. It is a result of long-term effort, discipline, and persistence. Many successful people have faced repeated failures before achieving their goals. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the process. Each failure provides valuable feedback that helps improve performance and strategy. Time is one of the most valuable resources in existence. It cannot be stopped, slowed down, or recovered once it is lost. Every second that passes is gone forever. Because of this, managing time effectively is extremely important. People who use their time wisely are often more productive, more organized, and more successful in achieving their goals. Health is another essential foundation of life. Without good health, it becomes difficult to perform daily activities or enjoy life. Physical health depends on habits such as eating balanced food, exercising regularly, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. Mental health is equally important and is influenced by stress levels, emotional balance, and positive thinking. Human relationships are a central part of life. People do not live in isolation. They interact, communicate, and build connections with others. These relationships can bring support, comfort, and motivation. Strong relationships are built on trust, respect, honesty, and understanding. Without these values, relationships become weak and unstable. Communication is the bridge that connects people. Through communication, individuals share thoughts, ideas, emotions, and information. Good communication requires both speaking clearly and listening carefully. Misunderstandings often happen when communication is weak or unclear. Therefore, improving communication skills is essential for both personal and professional life. Reading is one of the most powerful tools for gaining knowledge. It allows individuals to explore different ideas, cultures, and perspectives. Books and written materials contain the experience and knowledge of many people from different times and places. Regular reading improves vocabulary, thinking ability, and imagination. Writing is another important skill that helps organize thoughts and express ideas clearly. Writing allows people to reflect on their thinking and communicate in a structured way. It also helps improve memory and creativity. Many successful individuals use writing as a tool for planning, learning, and self-expression. Discipline is one of the strongest factors that determine success. It means staying consistent, following rules or routines, and continuing efforts even when motivation decreases. Discipline builds habits that support long-term goals. Without discipline, progress becomes inconsistent and difficult to maintain. Motivation is the initial energy that pushes people to start something new. However, motivation alone is not enough. It often changes over time. What keeps progress steady is discipline and commitment. Even when motivation is low, disciplined actions ensure continuous movement toward goals. Challenges are unavoidable in life. Every person faces difficulties at different stages. These challenges test patience, strength, and problem-solving ability. Instead of avoiding difficulties, facing them helps build resilience and experience. Each challenge overcome adds strength and confidence. Patience is an essential quality for achieving meaningful results. Many important goals require time and consistent effort. Quick results are not always possible. People who remain patient are more likely to continue working steadily until they reach success. Confidence allows individuals to trust their abilities and take action without excessive fear. It develops over time through practice, experience, and learning from mistakes. Confidence helps in decision-making, communication, and facing new challenges. Society also plays an important role in shaping human life. Cultural values, traditions, and environments influence how people think and behave. Cooperation within society helps create stability and progress. When individuals work together, communities become stronger and more developed. Balance in life is also very important. Work, rest, and personal time must all be managed properly. Overworking can lead to stress and fatigue, while proper rest improves energy and productivity. A balanced lifestyle helps maintain both physical and mental well-being. In conclusion, life is a continuous process of learning, growth, and adaptation. Every experience contributes to development, whether positive or negative. Success is achieved through patience, discipline, consistency, and effort. The journey of life never stops, and every day offers a new opportunity to improve, learn, and move forward.